Hey guys, so it's the next day. I didn't finish vlogging yesterday, but today Chico is getting a haircut, finally. Cheek, let's show him your before. Come here. He's sleeping right now. I'm about to take him. This is his before. Look at him. And he's stinky. Let's see, Cheek. He's tired. There's your before, Cheeky. Chico. Cheek. He doesn't even want to look. Are you tired? You have to go get your haircut. Why you look so mad? Alright, his appointment is at 12. Yeah, at 12. And I think it takes about like 3 to 4 hours for me to have to go pick him up. They usually call me around 3 to 4 hours. And yeah, we're just going to trim him up, trim his tail, his ears, and then I kind of want to keep it like semi-long, but not too long. I want it to obviously look nice and clean. So that's what I'm gonna tell them basically. And this morning I was cutting fabric for more fabric. More fabric for more headbands. So I have this fabric, a few lighter nudes, and then a like dusty pink kind of color. And yeah, I'm gonna make some headbands. I just needed to take a little break because I cut a lot. So I'm gonna get Chico ready to go, and then I'll show you guys what he looks like after his haircut. He always looks super cute after his haircut. Alright, so I just dropped off Chico. I'm so sad. I don't like when he's gone. I'm not gonna be able to pick him up for about 3 to 4 hours, so that's a long time. I'm always with him. I mean, if he's there with my boyfriend, it's a different story, but like taking him to like somewhere like strange, he doesn't really know. I mean, he's been there before, but still, he doesn't go there all the time. So I'm making me some lunch. I think I'm making like breakfast for lunch type of thing. I'm excited for dinner. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make for dinner. I'm gonna do shredded chicken tostadas, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. I found a recipe on Pinterest that I'm going to follow, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. And that should be good. I'm excited for that. Alright, sorry if my hair looks a mess. I was laying down. But Chico is ready to be picked up. I'm a little nervous because while he was there, she called me and said they might have to go a little shorter because he did have knots. When his hair grows like longer, he doesn't like for us to brush him, so I do try to brush him as much as I can, but obviously he still gets knots, especially if he's wearing his sweaters or like the harness and stuff, and he scratches sometimes, so I feel like that causes the knots in it. So I'm a little nervous to see what he looks like, but I'm gonna go pick him up right now and I will show you guys. I was nervous to get him short because it is a little cooler now, so he's gonna be cold, but he does have like sweaters and stuff, so hopefully it'll be fine. We'll see. I'm scared. Alright, so Chico's haircut actually doesn't look bad. It's just, I thought it was kind of too cold for him to have it this short, because he's had it this short before, but let me show you guys what it looks like. Cheeky! Cheek. Hey. Hi, Tiki. Got your hair cut? You see, he still looks cute. When I get to my boyfriend's house, I'm going to put like his sweater on so he's nice and cool. I'm going to give him some food right now because he's been at the groomers for a couple hours. And yeah, so his haircut still looks cute. Like, I'm not worried about it. It's just hair. It's not a big deal. Sit. Ready? Cheek. Cheek. Ready? Go get it. I honestly might keep Chico's hair shorter like all the time, just because when it gets longer he smells faster and it obviously knots easier, and I think it's just a easier maintenance when it's shorter. The only thing is when it's shorter, he doesn't really look like a Yorkie, so that's why I kind of wanted to grow it out and see what it looked like. Man, I think I'm gonna still try, like this time I'm going to maybe schedule his appointments like closer in time, I guess. Because when I first did the haircut, I did the next month, I got him like a trim, but I felt like it was too early. Like I'm still paying $50 for like them to do a little trim. So I kind of like felt like that was wasteful. This time we waited like 3 months-ish, I think. And his hair got really bad, and well, it didn't get really bad. I mean, there's some knots he had on his legs and stuff. They told me to watch out for his legs and like try to brush him, so get in like a routine of like brushing him every day just so he gets used to it, because I don't think he did good this time. Usually they say he does good, but now I guess I don't know how he acted. I don't think he acted good. So yeah, I'm gonna try to brush him every day. I mean, he doesn't like me to brush him. Like usually as soon as I pull out the brush, he'll try to like bite the brush out of my hand. Like he tries to like bite the brush basically. So it's kind of annoying trying to brush him.
Tostadas. Yum yum. Ha. And the chocolate.
They're ugly. Alright guys, so I'm about to start dinner. My hair looks so big. Like this is 3rd day hair. I always wash my hair pretty often, like probably like every other day I'll wash it. So this is like one of the longest that I've left it, and it's like huge. Anyways, alright, so we're about to make some shredded chicken tostadas. I have this recipe right here. I will link it in the description box below. Hopefully it's good. I have a red mark right here. What the heck? I don't know what that is, but it looks like it's gonna be pretty easy to cook. It says cook time about 30 minutes. So that's pretty fast. I already mixed like my seasonings that it said to mix together, because now we're gonna put the chicken breast in the pan with oil and brown it a little bit, and then I think you put in like the seasoning with water, tomato sauce, seasoning mix, and stir. So let's do that. Let's brown the chicken really quick, and then we'll see what else we have to do. It's my first time making it. I've ate it before and it's so good. So let's get to it. All right, so one reason why my mom doesn't really cook anymore is because I'm cooking dinner and Ashley decides to make herself a bowl of cereal. So, my mom says she doesn't cook because the girls really don't eat, but I still cook because I eat, and I do. No, you don't. I cook for me to eat. I don't want to spend money. So I just put the chicken in. It's looking nice. I don't think I'm going to season it because we are going to add like all this seasoning to it, and I don't want it to be like too much seasoning. It's already gonna have flavor and everything, so I'm just gonna leave it how it is. It already has like salt and pepper and chili powder. Forgot what else I added, but it will definitely be in the description box with the recipe that I'm using. Okay, so right now my chicken is looking like, so it's looking like this. It has to cook like that for about 15 and 20 minutes, it says. So I put a timer on for 15 minutes, and then halfway through I'm gonna flip the chicken and then see like if it's ready, and then we're going to shred it. And yeah, I need to make some tostada shells because I was gonna heat them up, and I think I'm gonna wait till it's a little bit closer to the time that they're gonna be done, just so they don't get soft when we're like ready to eat. I'm gonna clean up my little area over here. I kind of have the whole table, have fabric everywhere. I've cut some stuff for headbands and scrunchies. I have that one to cut and this one to cut. But I think what I'm gonna do is make the ones that I already cut tomorrow, and then the following day I will cut these ones and then make them the next day. Keep me busy, spread it out. So yeah. Alright, so I seen a girl on Instagram. I saw a girl on YouTube do this, Alyssa Rose. She shredded her chicken using a hand mixer, so I'm gonna try to shred this chicken with this hand mixer. I've never done that before, so let's try it and see how it goes. Alright guys, so that trick works literally. Look at my chicken. So now I'm gonna add the chicken back into the sauce just like this one, and you cook it for a little longer and let it like absorb the sauce and all that. So I'm about to add the other chicken in. Alright, so my chicken is basically done, so I put that on low now. And now I'm gonna start the tostada shells, and then I have beans back there. So I'm just going to make some tostadas, and then I forgot that I need to cut up tomato and lettuce. I believe we have some shredded lettuce in there already, so I think I'm just gonna cut like a few tomatoes, and then you could put like sour cream if you want it on it. But I'm so excited. I'll show you guys when I make the creation and how it looks and how it turns out. I forgot to show you guys my tostada before I took a bite.
I got that one.
This is what it looks like. It is so delish. Tiki, look. So I put Chico's little sweater on so he's nice and warm. Hun, Cheek. And I think I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mom, what you laughing at over there?
I'm always doing something. Probably heard all that clunking of me.
I know, goodness. And Ashley back there. Tiki, look. Thank you, give me kisses. Oh my goodness. Got a sweater on.
I dropped Ashley off this morning and my mind's just waving at the door. She was up early, huh, Ashley? Was Braylon up this morning?
What?
Was Braylon up too this morning when you went over there?
You know, baby.
Or just my mind?